Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Till now we have learned trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 degrees and 90 degrees children. In this session we are learning trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are the complementary angles children? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Examples 50 degrees and 40 degrees, 30 and 60. Right children, these are the complementary angles. Now we will find the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Let us see how it is. Let's take a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B children. Now here angle B equal to 90 degrees children. What about angle A and angle C? These two are acute angles. As per angle sum property children, here we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Correct? Here we already know that angle B equal to 90 degrees. Right? Let's substitute the value here. So angle A plus angle C plus angle B is 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Right? So from here angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, that equal to 90. So here angle A and angle C sum is 90 degrees. Now I want angle A equal to 90 degrees minus C. If we want angle C means 90 degrees minus angle A children. Now these are complementary angles. Now we will find the ratios for trigonometric ratios for complementary angles children. That means angle C equal to 90 minus A children. If this is angle A means this is 90 minus A. Right, and this is right angle. Now we'll find the trigonometric ratios for 90 minus A children. Now sin 90 minus A children, we have to consider this angle because this is 90 minus A. Right, what is sin 90 minus A? This will be the opposite and this will be the adjacent children, and hypotenuse is the hypotenuse only. This will never change. Right. Now tell me sin 90 minus A equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Now cos 90 minus A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is adjacent BC, BC by AC. Now tan 90 minus A equal to opposite by adjacent, that is AB by BC. Now cosecant 90 minus A equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, that is reciprocal of sine. Correct children? AC by AB. Now secant 90 minus A equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by BC. Now cot 90 minus A equal to adjacent by opposite side, BC by AB, reciprocal to tan. Right children? Now we will write the ratios for sin A, cos A, tan A children. Consider this angle now. Right? Now this will be opposite and this will be adjacent children. Now tell me sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Tan A equal to opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB. You know cosecant A equal to reciprocal of sin A, that is AC by BC. Secant A equal to reciprocal of cos A, that is AC by AB. And cot A equal to reciprocal of tan A, that is AB by BC. Correct children? Now see these ratios and these ratios, children. Here sin 90 minus a equal to AB by AC. See here AB by AC means cos A. So we can write sin 90 minus a equal to cos A, children. Now see here cos 90 minus a equal to BC by AC. Where is BC by AC? This one. That equal to sin A. Cos 90 minus a equal to sin A, children. Tan 90 minus a equal to AB by BC. AB by BC here. That equal to cot A. Tan 90 minus a equal to cot A. Next cosecant 90 minus a equal to AC by AB. AC by AB is this one. That equal to secant A. Cosecant 90 minus a equal to secant A. Secant 90 minus a equal to AC by BC. Where is AC by BC? Cosecant A. Secant 90 minus a equal to cosecant A. Now cot 90 minus a equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. That is tan A. Cot 90 minus a equal to tan A. So these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, children. Sin 90 minus a equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus a equal to sin A. Tan 90 minus a equal to cot A. Cosecant 90 minus a equal to secant A. Secant 90 minus a equal to cosecant A. And cot 90 minus a equal to tan A, children. Now we'll see the applications of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, children. Let us start exercise 8.3. First question. Evaluate sin 18 degrees divided by cos 72 degrees. Here sin 18 degrees divided by cos 72 degrees, children. We have to change any one thing, that means numerator or denominator, into the form of 90 minus a. See here 18 degrees, how we can write in the form of 90 minus a, like complementary angle, that is sin 90 degrees minus 72 degrees, children. Check 90 minus 72 is 18. Can we write sin 18 equal to sin 90 minus 72? Right, children? Divided by, let cos 72 degrees as it is. You have to change either numerator or denominator, children. What is sin 90 minus a formula? Equal to cos a, right? Here a value is 72 degrees. So here sin 90 minus 72 degrees equal to cos 72 degrees. Divided by, we have in denominator cos 72 degrees. Both are same. Cancel. So answer is 1. Right, children? Now second one, children, tan 26 degrees by cot 64 degrees. Here also we have to change in the form of complementary angles, either numerator or denominator. Here already we changed numerator, right? Let us change the denominator part. So tan 26, I am writing as it is, divided by denominator part cot 64. Cot 64, can we write 90 degrees minus 26 degrees? Right. What is cot 90 minus a, children? Just now we have learned cot 90 minus a equal to tan a. Right. Cot 90 minus a equal to tan a, children. Here a equal to 26 degrees. Now apply the formula here. So tan 26 divided by cot 90 minus 26, that equal to tan 26 again. Now both are same. Let cancel each other. So what is the answer here? 1. Right, children? Now third question, children. Cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Here also we can apply the same formulas. Let us write cos 48 is cos 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. Correct? 90 minus 42 is 48 degrees. Can we write cos 48 equal to cos 90 minus 42? Right? Minus sin 42 as it is we can write. Any one thing only we have to change. Now what is cos 90 minus 42 children? What is the formula? Cos 90 minus a equal to sin a. Here a value is 42 children. So we can write cos 90 minus 42 equal to sin 42 degrees. Minus, here already we have sin 42 degrees. Now see, sin 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. It is 0. 0 is the answer. Now see fourth question children. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Here also the same. Cosecant 31 degrees. I am writing as it is. Minus secant 59 degrees. Minus secant 59 degrees children. Can we write 59 as 90 degrees minus 31? Right children? Here secant 90 minus a equal to cosecant a children. We know the formula, right? So in place of secant 90 minus a, that means 90 minus 31, we can write cosecant 31. We'll see how it is. This equal to cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 90 minus a. Here a is 31 degrees. That equal to cosecant 31 degrees. Same here. So cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 equal to 0 is the answer children. Now second question children. Show that tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 67 degrees equal to 1 children. Okay, let's start. Here tan 48 degrees. Can I write tan 48 degrees equal to tan 90 minus 42? Correct? Now tan 23 degrees children. I am writing as it is. Here also tan 42. Now we will change this one. Tan 67 degrees, we can write it as tan 90 minus 23 degrees. Correct children? Now we are checking only LHS part. So tan 90 minus 42. Here we have to use the formula tan 90 minus a. And here also tan 90 minus a. Right children? Let's write the formula here. Tan 90 minus a equal to cot a. We already know this formula. Here a value is 42. Right? So this will be cot 42 degrees into tan 23 into tan 42 as it is. Here you see tan 90 minus 23. Same formula you apply. Here a value is 23 degrees. That means this is cot 23 degrees. Correct children? Now see here. Cot 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees. Here both are reciprocals. Cot 42, tan 42. And now see these two. Tan 23, cot 23. These two are reciprocals. Right? Let's solve this. Cot 42 I am writing as it is. Just I am changing the order. Tan 42 means 1 by cot 42. Correct children? Tan is reciprocal of cot. Into tan 23, let it be here. Now cot 23, it is 1 by tan 23. Now see here, cot 42, cot 42. You can cancel and tan 23, tan 23. Cancel here. So here also 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1. Now see LHS and RHS. Both are equal, right? So LHS equal to RHS children. So it is proved. Now second question children. Show that cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees minus sin 38 degrees sin 52 degrees equal to 0. Let's take LHS part. Here cos 38 degrees. Can we write cos 38 equal to cos 90 minus 52? Correct? Now cos 52 I am writing as it is. Minus sin 38. So this one also we can change. Like sin 90 minus 52. Correct children? Into sin 52. What is cos 90 minus a formula children? That equal to sin a. What is sin 90 minus a? That equal to cos a. Let's write the formulas here. Cos 90 minus a equal to sin a. Another one, sin 90 minus a equal to cos a. Let's apply these formulas here. Now cos 90 minus a, here a value is 52. So this will be sin 52 degrees. Here cos 52 as it is. Minus sin 90 minus 52. Here also a will be 52. Sin 90 minus a is cos a. That equal to cos 52 degrees. Into sin 52 degrees as it is. What is sin 52 degrees children? Write sin 52 degrees as it is into what is cos 52? Reciprocal of sin. That is 1 by sin 52 degrees children. Minus, we'll write it in brackets. Now cos 52 I am writing as it is. Sin 52 is reciprocal of cos 52. That is 1 by cos 52. Correct children? Now you cancel these both. Sin 52 and sin 52 will get cancelled. And cos 52 and cos 52 will get cancelled. Now see here what happens. 1 is here and minus 1 is here. What is 1 minus 1 children? 0. See your right hand side answer. That is also 0. So LHS equal to RHS. It is proved. Now see question 3 children. If tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees where 2a is an acute angle, find the a value. Right? Here tan 2a is given and here cot a minus 18 is given. So let us change this tan into cot. What is the formula children? Cot 90 minus a, we know that equal to tan a. Here it is 2a given. That means we can write the same thing here. Cot 90 minus 2a. Right? That equal to cot of a minus 18. Correct children? Here we change tan 2a into cot of 90 degrees minus 2a. By using the formula cot 90 minus a equal to tan a. Right. Now here also cot, here also cot. Let's make these two equal. That means 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degrees. Correct children? So here let's send 2a that side. A, this minus 2a will go this side means plus 2a. 90 degrees. This minus 18 will come this side. Plus 18 degrees. Correct children? Now a plus 2a. 3a equal to 108 degrees. Now from this we can find out a value 108 degrees by 3 children. That equal to 36 degrees. So a value is 36 degrees children. Now fourth question children. If tan a equal to cot b, then prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Very easy children. Here they have given cot b. What is cot formula? Tan 90 minus a equal to cot a. Correct? But here we have b. Let's write the formula into b. Tan 90 minus b equal to cot b now. Right children? Now we can apply this formula here. So tan a equal to, they have given cot b. But in the place of cot b we can write tan 90 minus b. Correct children? Now see, here also tan, here also tan. Now A equal to 90 minus B. Correct, children? So A equal to 90 minus B here. Let's send B this side. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. That's what we have to prove. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Now fifth question, children. If secant 4A equal to cosecant of A minus 20, where 4A is an acute angle, find the value of A. This is also same like before question. Here they have given secant 4A. Let's write this one in cosecant terms. What is the formula? Secant A equal to cosecant of 90 minus A. Correct. Here they have given secant 4A. So secant 4A will be cosecant of 90 minus 4A. Right, children? This is our formula. Secant A equal to cosecant 90 minus A. Here they have given secant 4A. That's why cosecant 90 minus 4A. This equal to right hand side cosecant of A minus 20 degrees. Correct. Now here also cosecant, here also cosecant. Let's make these two terms equal. So 90 degrees minus 4A equal to A minus 20 degrees. Correct, children? Let's send this minus 20 this side. 90 degrees minus 20 will be plus 20 degrees. Let the A here, and minus 4A will be plus 4A here. 90 plus 20, 110 degrees, children. Here 5A. From this step we can write A equal to 110 degrees divided by 5, children. Correct? 5 2s are and 2s are. So A is 22 degrees, children. A value is 22 degrees. Question 6, children. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Right, children? Here we have triangle ABC. What is angle sum property? As per angle sum property, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Right, children? So from here we can write angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees minus A, because we want B plus C, right? So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees minus angle A. Now we want B plus C by 2. Okay? Let's do B plus C by 2 here and divide here also with 2. So angle B plus angle C divided by 2 equal to, here also you have to do 180 degrees minus angle A divided by 2. Correct, children? So angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to 180 by 2. This will be 180 by 2 and this will be angle A by 2. What is 180 by 2? 90 degrees minus A by 2. Correct, children? Now apply sine here, both the sides. So sine B plus C by 2 equal to, now this one, sine 90 minus A by 2. Correct, children? But already we know that sine 90 minus A equal to cos A. Now I am writing the formula here. Sine 90 minus A equal to cos A. We already know this formula. But here sine 90 minus A by 2. This equal to cos A by 2. Very simple, right? Sine 90 minus A equal to cos A. That means sine 90 minus A by 2 equal to cos A by 2. So sine B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. That's what we have to show here. Now question 7, children. Express sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45 degrees. Here we have angle 67 and 75 degrees, right? Now we have to change these angles into 0 to 45 degrees. Let's start, children. Here sine 67 degrees. Can we write sine 67 degrees equal to Sine 90 minus 23 degrees, children. Right? Because 90 minus 23 is 67. Correct? Now cos 75 degrees, children. Can we write 75 like cos 90 minus 15 degrees? Because 90 minus 15 is 75 degrees. Now we know the formulas. Sin 90 minus a equal to cos a. Cos 90 minus a equal to sin a. Now apply these formulas here. Now here sin 90 minus 23. Here a value is 23. That means sin 90 minus 23 is cos 23. Correct, children? Plus here cos 90 minus 15. Here a value is 15 degrees. So cos 90 minus a is sin a. That means sin 15 degrees. Now see the answer. Sin 67 is changed to cos 23. Cos 75 is changed to sin 15 degrees. Now check the angles also, 23 and 15 between 0 to 45 degrees. Is it correct? Thank you very much, children.